Want to remotely control another computer from your own PC? In this video, I'll show you how to completely set up Chrome Remote Desktop and remotely control another Windows PC step by step. We'll install Chrome Remote Desktop on both computers, generate a connection code, connect the two PCs, and finally control the second computer remotely. So, give this video a tight thumbs up and let's get started. First, go to the PC from where you want to access second one. Open your browser and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Now, open the first website from the search results. This will bring you to the Chrome Remote Desktop page. You may see a page like this. If you do, simply click the button shown here to continue. Once you're on this page, you'll see three options. For this tutorial, we need to use the middle option, which is Remote Support. Under Share this screen, click the Download button. This will take you to a new page, which is the Chrome Remote Desktop extension page. Here, simply click Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension. The extension will now be downloaded and installed. Once it's installed, you can close this page. Now, click the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Find Chrome Remote Desktop and click the pin icon next to it. This will pin the extension to your browser toolbar so we can access it whenever we need it. Go back to the Chrome Remote Desktop setup page. Here, click Accept and Install. This will lead you to the Chrome Remote Desktop setup file, usually in your Downloads folder, which is downloaded when we add extension. Now open the setup file and complete the installation. Once everything is installed, you'll see the Generate Code button. At this point, the first computer is ready. Now, let's move to the second PC, which is the computer we actually want to access remotely. On this computer, open Google Chrome and, just like before, search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Open the first website from the search results. Once the page loads, click Access My Computer if you see this option. Then go to Remote Support. Under the Remote Support section, click the Download button. A new page will open for the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Here, click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. Once the extension has been installed, go back to Chrome and click the extensions icon. And pin the extension so it's easily accessible. Now, click Accept and Install. It will send you to Remote Desktop Setup file. Open the setup file and complete the installation. Now we're ready to connect the two computers. On this second PC, the one we want to access remotely, click Generate Code. A temporary access code will now appear on the screen. Simply note down or copy this code because we'll need to enter it on our first computer. Now, let's go back to the first computer. Enter the code we just generated on the second PC. Then click Connect. Chrome Remote Desktop will now try to establish a connection between both computers. Now look at the second computer. You'll see a permission request asking whether you want to allow the remote connection. Simply click Share or Accept, depending on what appears on your screen. Once you approve the connection, the remote session will start, and there you go. The screen of our second computer is now displayed on the first computer, and we can control it remotely. We can move the mouse, use the keyboard, open applications, browse through files, and perform almost any normal task on the remote PC. As you can see, everything we do on the first computer is being performed on the second computer. The performance will mainly depend on the internet connection and the hardware of both computers. So a stable connection will give you a smoother experience. Because we're using remote support, this is a temporary connection. The next time you want to connect, you'll need to generate a new support code on the computer you want to access. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful Windows and PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.